24. The equation 5x minus 4 equals 6 is modeled below. What value of x makes this equation true? I'm going to go ahead and start off by solving this one using our algebra tiles. Alright, we need to get our x all alone. So we want to get rid of our negative ones here. To get rid of a negative one, we make add a positive one to make 0 pairs. But remember, if we're adding positive ones to here, which is 4 positive ones to cancel out all of our negatives, we need to have 4 positive ones added over here. Alright, so these cancel out and we ignore them now. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. And we split this up into 5 different parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to split this off into equal parts. So 1, 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each group has 2 ones in it. So my x is equal to 2. I'll also solve it just by using our algebra knowledge. So we have 5x minus 4 equals 6. We need to get our 5x alone. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides in order to make a 0 pair with my negative 4 and my positive 4. This gives me 5x equals 10. Now I need to get 1x alone, so I have to do the opposite of multiply by 5, which is to divide by 5. And my x is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So my value of x is 2. 2 different ways, and x is equal to 2.